Mitrom and Bandhuvam, welcome to South Asia Maps. This is Education Channel. You are aware this is your intellectual chatter's channel. This is your presenter, Dr. Jared. We are continuing our series that is the Panhandle Geography series, Panhandles, that is the Kuppam Panhandle of Chittoor district, of that is the seeded districts, the RayalaSeema in Deccan, that is Andhra Pradesh of Bharat. This is the part 3. The Panhandle is essentially a region in the geography, elongated region. Here I like put the red color here, that is the Kuppam Panhandle in the geography is a elongated protrusion, a salient, a geopolitical region, administrative territory. There are national panhandles and subnational within the country. In the subnationals, you can say the provincial, that is essentially states, union territories, even sub-provincial, the districts, and so on. This is essentially a provincial panhandle we are looking about. When you look here, you won't get much when you look at the picture, but I will walk you through the fascinating, the history, culture, geography. When you look at that, when you come back the next time, when you look at the political map of RayalaSeema seeded district or Andhra Pradesh, you will get a different, fascinating perspective. Excuse me for my allergies. Mitram, this is our Panhandle series. You are aware that is the Panhandle series. These are the different panhandles I put. This is the pan, this is the handle. Handle is a small territory protrusion holding the pan, that is the bigger region. So we have finished Pathankot Gurdaspur Panhandle before and Wakhan corridor in Afghanistan, and we are now taking up Kuppam Panhandle, Chittoor district, RayalaSeema, and I will upload the rest of the excuse me for my allergies panhandles eventually. And this is our YouTube channel, and I have taken time and brought my 4+ decades of my passion and intensive research. I want to share it with you. So, and I have put all the knowledge in the iconographic form so that when you take time to listen 10-15 minutes on average, you will get a deeper understanding, and that cuts down your learning curve very rapidly. You need not take the time and effort I have put in. Essentially, you are piggybacking, breaking the other person's knowledge, and that is at our YouTube channel, South Asia Maps REddy, and we have more than 408 years. So this video is recorded at the time of Pran Pratishtha, a very great event on the planet Earth of Sri Ramchandra, the Lord on the Saryu River in the Ayodhya region. Excuse me. So this is the regions, Dakkan, Dakshinapatha region. This is the panhandle. What we are looking here is the Chittoor district. You see, this is the provincial panhandle. That is the Andhra Pradesh province. This is the Tamil Nadu province. This is the Mysore region or Karnataka province. This is, it separates. South is the Arcot region, North Arcot, Uttar Arcot. This is the Andhra region, RayalaSeema region. This is the Vadayari territory, Kolar. This is the historical Baramahal region, that is enlarged Salem district. Now Dharmapuri, Krishnagiri, Hosur, Denkanikottai, Salem, Namakkal, and those regions. So this panhandle is this, and how this panhandle happened, and what are the major historical events that occurred before that. This will give you the totally a fascinating perspective for you. So in order to, before grasp it, here just I am showing only the political map of RayalaSeema region, and because we are talking about Chittoor district, we will be talking a little more later. This is the Kuppam Panhandle, Kuppam Palamaneru Panhandle. This is the Chittoor district that hosts the fascinating greatest shrine on the planet Earth, Tirumala Tirupati. So you see the Kuppam and Palamaner and Bangarpalam, Chittoor, Puttur, Nagari and Satyavedu. Here further north you can see Tambalapalli, Vayalpadu, Chinnagotigalu, that is the Pileru region, and Harsley Hills, Madanapalli and so on. And Chandragiri, the historic capital of Arabidu dynasty of Vijayanagara emperors, and Srikalhasti in the Suvarnamukhi river basin, Swarnamukhi river basin. And before that, you can look at my RayalaSeema series. First, the formation of the ceded district. You have to have a clarity how this panhandle is formed. And this is the ceded district. The Nizam ceded this territory to British East India Company Bahadur, 1800 AD, one district ceded, and Thomas Munro's collectorship before he left two districts, western portion Bellary, south of sacred Tungabhadra river, eastern part historic Kadapa district, two districts. Then 1858, after Sipai Mutiny, Kurnool princely, the Nawabi territory annexed ceded region, so three districts, Ballari, Kadapa, Kurnool. And before just 3 years or 2 3 years before the formation of Indian National Congress as an outlet to mild organization by the Britishers, fourth district Anantapur formed by taking certain territories from the Ballari and certain territories from Kadapa. From Kadapa it got the Kadiri, and from the Bellary it got a lot of them like Tadipatri, Uravakonda and all those Anantapur, Dharmapuram and so on. So four districts. Finally, in 1911, when Chittoor district was formed, that is formed from the Arcot district, North Arcot district. That is very critical. We will look at later. At that time, Chittoor district is formed. Kuppam, the Kuppam region, Palamanere region, and Chittoor, Bangarupalam, and Satyavedu, and all these Chandragiri were in North Arcot district, and Kadapa district gave Madanapalli, that is the Guramkonda region, the Vayalpadu, those regions. At that time, this panhandle was formed. So, excuse me, that is the broad thing, so that we will look at little more detail now. So this is the same map, and I will show you a different perspective. This is the one. So the uniqueness of our intellectual Kshatriya channel is your presenter, Dr. RayalaSeema will bring you everything in the form of iconographic form. That is the pictures, images, maps. You spend some time and look at the video, you will get a fascinating perspectives. That is the uniqueness. Excuse me. This is the historic RayalaSeema region, ceded district, the Ballari district, Kurnool district, Kadapa district, Anantapur, Chittoor district. This is the Arcot region. This is the Vadayari territory. The Vadayar Maharaj lived there. This is the Nellore Payangat region and Guntur district and Kista district. Your landmark, Channapatnam, Madras, Gangasagar, Bay of Bengal. This is the Kuppam region. This is the Balghat region, upland region. The low-lying region is called Payangat region. How did we come to this far? You can see there used to be Vijayanagara empire after the Islamic imperialism is rolled back by Harihara Raya Bukkaraya around about 1330. Then disintegration after Talikota Rakshas Tangadi 1565. Vadayars gained the territory around about Panipat time, the third battle 1761. When the Marathas lost, Vadayars were under their control, and Tipu usurped his father Haidar became the Sarvadikari, de facto ruler, reduced the Maharaja into a figurehead. De facto ruler, de jure ruler. His son Tipu, he fought 4 wars, Anglo-Mysore War, and this time the lot of territorial changes happened. British consolidated the Baramahal and all those regions, and Nizam, who got this region during the Third War, the Srirangapatnam Treaty in 1792, he later, 5 6 years later, gave this because he went into arrears because of keeping up the Fausis, the cantonment forces in the Sikandrabad region, that is the Bolaram region at that time, and he gave this is ceded subsidiary alien ceded territory 1798. And Karnataka Nawab Azimuddaulah gave all this region, Carnatic region, that is different from Karnataka province, at the former name being the Mysore province. Carnatic territories, Carnatic territories, essentially Arcot territories, Arcot Nawab, Karnataka Nawab, Azimuddaulah 1801. So the chronology we have looked here, and I have put in the 1800 first district seeded district formation, 1808 two districts, then a Kurnool annexation, the three districts, and Anantapur formation, four districts. Important point is Chittoor district formation, fifth district. It essentially carved out from the Arcot district in the south and Kadapa district bigger at that time. So North Arcot gave Gurram, the Kadapa district gave Gurramkonda, Madanapalli, Vayalpadu, and excuse me, Punganur regions. And North Arcot gave Kuppam, Palamaneru, Chitturu, Chandragiri, Kalahasti in the first stage, and the post Radcliffe and all those, and the boundary demarcation between Telugu speaking areas and Tamil speaking areas of the after the formation of Andhra state, later Andhra Pradesh, 1956. Pataskar committee changed certain areas like Tirutani region, Satyaver region. That is not that critical, but these things will put you in the proper perspective. The formation of the Kuppam Panhandle region. And I have given the extensive RayalaSeema the series, and you can look at it in the RayalaSeema playlist and various further. You can look at it. Part 1, I have posted 29 already, and part B, I think I posted nearly 60 or so. You will get a fascinating view of the RayalaSeema region of Deccan Bharat. Let's look at real perspective. So this is roundabout before Radcliffe Award, partition of the Bharat, and this is the Madras Presidency. This is the Deccan Division, Rayalaseema Division, Ceded Division. This is the Coastal Division. This is the Tamil Nadu Coromandel Division. This is the West Coast Division, Malabar and South Kannada and so on. Our point is this is the Vadayar territory. This is the Chittoor district. This is the Panhandle. North Arcot, Salem, Baramahal, Chittoor, and you can see the Vadayar territory, Kolar and Bangalore and so on. So when the initially British started forming the districts, they are called jillas in the Persian language. Now Telugu accepted that the same one. You can see the two districts. I think this is around about 18. Excuse me, 1858 or so, the map Ballari district, Kadapa district, princely state of Banganpalli, 15 gun salute state, and Kurnool, a Nawabi territory and a district at that time. And you can see you can see the Kuppam here. This is the Balghat region. This means the upland region. This is the Payanghat, lowland region. You can see the Kuppam. So the railway line from the Madras and Vellore and Katpadi goes to Jolarpettai junction. From Jolarpettai, it ascends the Balghat region, upland region, goes to Kuppam, then goes to Bangarpeta. From Bangarpeta, there is a diversion like going to Kolar Goldfield, and in the west side Malur, and finally the residential territory in the Vadayar. British resident lived in the Bangalore plateau. Bangalore Maharaja, Vadayar Maharaja lived in on the slopes of Sahyadri mountains in the Mysore plateau on the western Ghats. You can see further, I will show you different perspective here. See the Kuppam, yeah, Kolar Goldfield, Kuppam. This is the Kuppam. You can see the Balghat region, the Payanghat region, Yelagiri mountains here, and Kuppam again here, the Kuppam Panhandle and Kuppam. This is, you can see the Kuppam Panhandle. So this is now there is a lot of redrawing of the boundaries. The district boundaries I showed were round about, that means post-partition Radcliffe Award time, more or less. Now there are many Annamai district and so on, the named by politicians for their political gains, who are just essentially a type of alienation. British even didn't do that. And you can see the Kuppam Panhandle, Kaundinya River here, this is the Pala River here, and this is the Chittoor region, Chittoor Mountains, and Chittoor Hilly region, and so on. This is the Kuppam Panhandle. So when you look at this now, this is the Panhandle region. The fascinating, when you look here, you won't get much perspective. When you start looking at this in the historical perspective of this Panhandle, how the Anglo-Mysore Wars occurred, the secession treaty by the Nizam happened, the Carnatic region was annexed or given by the titular Nawab, reduced to titularity Azimud Dawla, and the Baramahal secession and Treaty of Srirangapatnam. All those things are intricately, complicatedly involved. Pataskar Committee formation, and the separation of the Telugu-speaking districts and the state from the Tamil and Canaries and Malayalam areas of Madras Presidency. All these are directly, indirectly, lesser or greater extent, are involved in setting up this fascinating panhandle region. That's why in our intellectual Kshatriya channel, I will bring you these aspects. So when I say panhandle, just will not be just looking this area, knowing this panhandle and walking you have it. That is not the intention. Intention is to bring the audience deeper understanding. Here essentially you can see the panhandle regions of United States. This is the Oklahoma state in the southern part of United States. This is essentially this is the panhandle region. There are many such Florida Panhandle, Virginia Panhandle, Texas Panhandle, Nebraska Panhandle, Idaho Panhandle, and many other panhandles throughout the world, and we'll be looking those panhandles in Bharat, also outside the Bharat also. I will bring this knowledge for you. Thank you very much joining me today, Mitram and Bandhum. And if you like the channel, you can consider subscribing and posting your comments. And see you later in other presentations. Your presenter, Dr. REddy, South Asia Maps.